Watching for a potential trade setup here on futures. It's 123 and kind of has an inverse head and shoulders on a 5 minute pattern. And watching to see if price, it's got another minute or so on this 5 minute candle, seeing if it can hold that 64.10 area. If it could break that 64.10 area, I might get in on a break of a new 5 minute candle, looking at 64.13 and 64.15-ish area as resistance. So you can see there's crossovers here on a 1 minute on the tick charts. It's a bit overextended here now, so I'm going to wait and see if it gets a pullback. So you'll see, you want to see this 9 EMA on a 1 minute catch up to that kind of that 64.10-ish area. So that's why I don't want to get in right now, because it's, possibly hitting tweezer tops, 5 minute candle formation forming. So gonna watch to see if it pulls back and then can get above this 64, 10-ish, 11-ish area here on that new 1 minute candle. So it's got another 20 seconds or so for this candle to finish. You see tweezer topping at the moment, and gonna watch and see. So the bigger overall pattern could be an inverse head and shoulders, but it could also be an extended head and shoulders pattern. All right, so next 5 minute candle about to form. So we want to see if it can get above that 64.11-ish right up top over here. So you see it's pulling back to that 9 EMA on a 1 minute. So watch and see if this holds. So again, want to see that 9 EMA hold on a 5 minute, see if it can continue up. And then if there's a break above on that 5 minute candle, right around that 64.11-ish area, I'll use that 64.13 to 64.15 as resistance. So at the moment, price is failing right now. That 9 EMA and the 20 on a 1 minute, kind of head and shoulders on the 500 tick, and right over in here as well. So I'm looking at the bigger over pattern on a 5 minute to see if it'll hold and continue up. But right now it's a bit trading sideways on the 5 minute, and it's bearish on the ticks and the 1 minute chart. So I'm watching for this 5 minute candle to form here, see if it holds its highs around the 64.11-ish area. It's kind of an inverse head and shoulders, or possible head and shoulders, cup and handle. Got to watch and see what happens on the 500 tick. And I want to see on this 1 minute the separation between this 9 and 20 EMA hold and continue to break this 64.11 area. If it can, I'm going to watch that 64.13 and 15 area as resistance. So this 5 minute candle is about to form in 10 seconds, and then we'll watch and see if price will continue up and break above, or if it's going to keep trading this yo-yo. But it's got to break out of this kind of cup and handle, but also head and shoulders-ish area here. So that 64.11 area is really key. So we have a new 5 minute candle. We have a little bit of separation on the 9 and the 20 on a 5 minute. So we're going to watch and see right here if price will move up. I'm watching right here, 64.11. See, 64. See, right up to that 64.10.50, smacked back down. So again, want to see right up there, that 64.11-ish area. So that's why I didn't take a trade. So right above here. But also I want to see it get a little bit above 64.11 area, a little bit higher, because sometimes it'll hit that area and just kind of smack back down just a little bit. So I might put, I'm going to put a buy stop order at 64.11.25. So let's see if I can get that right up here, 64.11. I'm going to put it right here at 64.11 right now. 64.11. Actually, you know what? Here we go. That's how I can do it. I was wondering how I could put it up a little bit higher. Let me move it 64. Oh, it's not moving up. 64.11. Let me do that. All right, I have it at 64.11 for right now. I'm going to make sure there's no other orders put in the system. All right, so I'm going to put a buy stop at 64.11. So if price breaks above that level, get an entry up there. All right, price is moving up here towards that 64.11. See if it breaks above 64.11. Right up below it. See if it continues above. It's right below it. Smacking right below that 64.11 area. So another minute and a half left on this 5-minute candle, but at the moment it hasn't hit it yet. Starting to possibly build. Last 1-minute candle starting to move up.
Stop filled.
It's filled, so I'm in on this order at 64.11. Now I want to see price hold above the top of that 64.11 area and continue up. Right now it's showing a little bit of weakness, so I'm going to keep a tight stop on this one, but I need to see this price continue up. Just got a little bit to that 64 level, and it's not 64.11. It's not holding. So I want to see these ticks go up and break above that 64.11 area, and watch and see if this 1-minute candle will hold its highs and continue up. So right now it's at this resistance level and it's not moving above it. Another 15 seconds left on this candle. Want to see if price is going to go hold this 1-minute high and break above. If not, I'll consider getting out with a tight stop on it. 3 seconds left. New 5-minute candle about to form. Need price to get above that 64.11 area. So it's hovering right there. Need to get above. New 1-minute candle. Right at that resistance level. It's smacking there. So I need to see it move and make a new high. Still struggling at the moment. So I'm going to use this 9 EMA on the 500 tick as a stop. So if it closes below this, I'll get out. So you'll see it's caught right in between here. It's deciding what it's going to do. There it goes, right above. So it's above that 64.11. Now I want to see it continue up. There it goes. Now I'm going to watch these 1-minute closes right here. So I'm up on this trade right now. It's continuing up. Going to let this 1-minute candle form, and then I want to see it create a new high. If not, I'll get out and take profit. There it goes. Next one up. So I want to see it continue up, showing a little bit of weakness there. Got another 40 seconds or so. There it goes. I want to see it break above that 64.13, which is resistance between 64.13 and 64.15. So another 30 seconds on this candle. Want to see these ticks keep going up. I'm going to watch this 1-minute candle form closely, and if it doesn't hold its highs, I'll consider getting out. Another 10 seconds or so. Want to see it break above 64.13 on this new candle. Next, there it goes, above 64.13. See it go up. Want to see it break 63.14. I'm going to get
Order
out.
filled.
All right, so successful trade on that one. I sold a little bit before 64.14. It can still continue. It can still go up. It's at near resistance right now, but you had that red kind of 500 tick candle. So I took that was $84 on that trade. So what is that? Almost 2 points, a point and a half or so. So it kind of took this move up, right up near resistance, and so right there it's coming right back down. So that was a nice little scalp up on the day, and I'm still getting used to this Trade of 8 platform. This is a new Apex account. So I've made 5 trades so far in this account since yesterday, up $384. So not bad, getting used to the system. And again, so I sold a little bit earlier. It's still going up a little bit, but that's okay. Another successful trade using Trade of 8.